The brutal truth about getting rich in your 20s. Everyone tells you your 20s are for finding yourself and having fun. Here's what nobody tells you. Your 20s are the highest leverage decade you'll ever live. Every choice you make right now either compounds into freedom later or turns into a debt you'll be paying off for the rest of your life. The illusion. We're sold this myth. Hustle non-stop, sleep 4 hours, sacrifice your health, and you'll make it. But real wealth was never about grinding harder. It's about moving smarter. If you're working hard in the wrong direction, you're not building anything. You're just digging your hole deeper and calling it progress. The money trap. You start earning, you feel like you've made it, and you upgrade everything. Phone, car, apartment. This is lifestyle creep, and it has quietly killed more dreams than any failed business ever has. You're spending money to impress people who genuinely don't care what you own. The power of skill. In your 20s, your real asset isn't your bank balance, it's your skill set. Lose all your money, and a high-income skill like coding, sales, or content creation can rebuild it in months. So spend this decade acquiring skills, not just chasing quick paychecks. The circle effect. You've heard it before. You become the average of the 5 people around you. It's a cliché because it's true. If your circle only talks about weekend parties, you'll never talk about investments or building something real. If you want to fly with eagles, stop swimming with ducks. The failure. Myth. People are paralyzed by fear of failure. But in your 20s, failure is actually cheap. A failed business at 22 is a business masterclass that costs less than a college degree. Don't fear failing. Fear standing in the exact same place at 30. Investment over spending. Put $500 a month into an index fund in your 20s, and compound interest will work wonders by the time you're 40. Most people spend that $500 on a luxury item instead. Choosing delayed gratification is the quiet weapon every wealthy person actually used. Health as capital. What's the point of being a millionaire at 40 if you've wrecked your health getting there? Taking care of your body isn't about looking good. It's about having the energy to outwork and outthink everyone around you. The time factor. Time is the one resource you can never get back. Most people spend it like it's unlimited. Treat your 20s like a sprint. That doesn't mean no fun. It means fun becomes something you earn, not something you default to. The mentor shortcut. Why figure everything out the hard way? The fastest path to wealth is learning from people who already walked it. Read the books, listen to the podcasts, study the biographies. Use their mistakes to skip years off your own learning curve. The action plan. So where do you actually start? Pick one high-value skill. Build a real budget. Invest in assets. Cut the habits quietly draining your time. It's simple. It's just not easy. Most people want the destination without ever starting the journey. The conclusion. Your 20s are your foundation. Build it weak, and everything you stack on top of it will eventually shake. Choose today to build something that lasts. If this hit home, subscribe for more reality checks on building real wealth. What's the first step you're taking today? Tell me in the comments.